Okay, science for today is not very much. I think you guys are probably just building your airplanes, which is kind of cool. I hope that it's going well, and maybe you've even found some other designs beyond the ones that I've showed to you and uploaded onto our science page. So today, so maybe you have some different ones you've created. Now today, step 2 is testing your airplanes, because tomorrow we're going to do like a show, or you guys are going to see, anyone who wants to see which plane you're able to throw the furthest. So this is actually really important skill for science, setting up a table to collect your data. So I have one, but I'm not going to show it to you right away. I kind of would like you guys to think of first what your data collection table could look like. So thinking about information such as, well, these. Okay, this doesn't need to be it. This could help drive your kind of mind in the right way. Like, okay, well, what headings would you possibly need to have in a table? What measurements are you taking? What data are you recording? How many trials should you be doing for this? So, so that's something that you could kind of think about a little bit for setting up of a table. What could it look like? What type of information do you need to have shown in your table? So anyway, that's just something that you could kind of work on a little bit in conjunction with building of your airplanes. So that's really it for today. It's like not really much for me, just you guys are experimenting. If you wanted to, if you happen to get to like full-on testing, then the next step would be redesigning your airplane. So what modifications could you possibly make? This guy, right, he's trying things over and over, and how could you possibly make it look a little bit different? Maybe you have one that you know is flying super well and you think it's going to be like your best one. Well, what engineering could you do to make it go even further? Further, because that's going to be the main thing that we're going to be doing our testing with, or like kind of experiment with, is like whose plane can stay in the air, not necessarily in, whose airplane can go the furthest. So it doesn't really matter about how long it took to get there. It doesn't really have to be with speed. It's just like simply distance related. Maybe it could glide for a long time and then land, or maybe it just like a rocket, it just gets there really quickly. And the other thing is like it should be in a straight line, but we're not going to be too picky on that. So just like how far, what's the furthest distance that your plane can go? Okay, so that is it. I hope that you're having fun with the designing of your airplanes, and we'll see you at 1 o'clock for a little group chat on Zoom. Okay, see you soon.